Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today's special is kofta curry. So I have soaked some chana dal and drained it and washed the meat well. Some onion and coconut, ginger garlic paste and coriander leaves. Add some oil in the pan. Add the meat. Add the chana dal. Add some fried gram. Mix it well, let it get cooked till it gets dry. Some onion and coconut. And that goes 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic and green chili paste. Add some salt. And there goes masalas. Turmeric powder, cinnamon powder and red chili powder. Mix it well, let it get cooked and get it dry. Add some fresh coriander leaves for the good flavor. You can see that it has become dry, so that's the time to get it down. After it is cold, grind it in the mixer. Wet your hands and make the balls. So the meatballs are ready to cook. So we are going to shallow fry it with some water in the same vessel. That's done. Keep it aside. Now I'm gonna shallow fry the onion. That's 2 medium sized onion. I'm not gonna fry it, just shallow fry with some oil. To the fried onion, add 2 tablespoons of curd and grind it in the mixer jar. With some oil, add cardamom, cloves, bay leaf and cinnamon stick. Once it is fried, add the onion paste. The flavor of the curry or a gravy will be tastier when the vegetables are well cooked. So cook them well before adding each ingredient. So once the onion paste is well cooked, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And once that's well cooked, I'll be adding tomato puree. Add the masala, turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander powder. Add the water, mix it well, close the lid and get it cooked at least for 10 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Slowly add the meatballs one by one. After it comes to boil, add cashew paste. Coconut paste is an alternative for cashew paste. Mix it slowly, add some coriander leaves. Slowly mix it. Close the lid. Cook it at least for 5 minutes. So the delicious kofta curry is ready for the lunch. Afternoon, Aisha sleeps 1 or 1.5 hours, so it's time to make her sleep. After some work got done, went to make her sleep. That's her favorite heart-eyed smiley bought for her recently. Soft pillow, just for a hug when she sleeps. Post lunch, after an hour, I felt like wanna have some green tea. My favorite flavor, vitamin C, ginger mint, lemon. It's preferable to have green tea after meal, not immediately after an hour or two. Instead of milk tea, it's preferable to have green tea in the evening. That's good for health, it builds your immunity, and it has a lot of benefits for your health. So that's evening walk. Went with my daughter. I was walking and she was cycling. That's a good time spent.
चलाओ जाओ
That's a custard apple tree in our apartment. Some different varieties of trees you can see in our service lane. After cycling, we came back. Thought of preparing some sweet recipe. Wanted to make it healthier as it was an evening, and I thought to make it with brown sugar. That's a usual sweet recipe. To the ghee, I'm roasting sevaya. I'm roasting it very well so that it gets brown in color. Just filtered the brown sugar. After the water comes to boil, add the sevaya and the brown sugar. Close the lid, let it get done. So that's ready to serve. Yummy and delicious Sheera ka sevaya. Take care all of you. Stay healthy. Until then, bye bye.